Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Now, if you've ever struggled with stubborn dark circles or those fine lines creeping in around your eyes, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a product that promises to visibly smooth those lines and reduce the look of dark circles? Today, I'm diving into Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. A little bottle that claims to be a game changer for the delicate eye area. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's break this down. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream comes in a sleek 0.5 flaws tube. It's formulated with two powerhouse ingredients, retinol and hyaluronic acid. Retinol, of course, is a dermatologist's favorite for targeting fine lines and wrinkles by boosting skin turnover. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, is known for its incredible ability to hydrate and plump up the skin, making it a perfect duo for the sensitive skin around the eyes. When I first incorporated this into my routine, I was cautious about the retinol, since we know how potent it can be. But I'm happy to report that it's gentle enough for the delicate skin around the eyes, which is a big win. I used it both morning and night, dabbing a small amount along my under eye area. It has a lightweight, almost gel-like texture that absorbs quickly. No greasy residue, and my skin felt hydrated right away. I used it consistently for about a week, and I could see some noticeable changes. The fine lines around my eyes started to soften. I noticed that the skin felt smoother with an added brightness. Now, the dark circles weren't completely gone. I didn't expect them to vanish overnight, but they definitely looked less pronounced. I also appreciated that there was no irritation, which sometimes happens with retinol. And I have to mention, the eye area definitely felt plumper, probably thanks to the hyaluronic acid working its magic. However, I did notice that it's not a quick fix for those deep, stubborn wrinkles. If you're looking for a dramatic, immediate transformation, this isn't it. But if you're patient and consistent, you'll start to see subtle improvements. Now let's talk about the pros. First, the texture is a dream. Lightweight but moisturizing. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, and it's free from parabens, mineral oils, and dyes, which makes it more skin-friendly. The biggest selling point for me is the combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid. This is something we don't see often in most eye creams. It's an effective duo that works for both wrinkle smoothing and hydration. But as with any product, there are some cons to consider. While it does a great job on fine lines, it's not a miracle worker for deep wrinkles or very dark circles. It might not provide immediate, jaw-dropping results. So if you're expecting quick fixes, this could feel like a slow burn. Also, it's a bit on the pricier side for the amount of product you're getting. That said, it's still within the mid-range price point for a drugstore product. As for value for money, it's tough because retinol-based eye creams tend to be on the expensive side. For its formula, I'd say it offers solid value if you're looking for a gentle, effective anti-aging eye cream that won't break the bank, especially compared to higher-end brands. Comparing it to other retinol eye creams, Neutrogena definitely holds its own. Many competitors use retinol, but not many combine it with hyaluronic acid. So in that regard, this eye cream offers an advantage in terms of both anti-aging and hydration. As for build quality, packaging is simple but functional. The tube is small and portable, so you can easily take it with you on trips. And for longevity, since you only need a small amount, this tube should last for quite a while. Now about customer service. Unfortunately, I haven't needed to reach out to Neutrogena for any issues, but the brand has a solid reputation in the skincare world, especially for offering customer support when needed. I won't dive too deep into updates, but if Neutrogena does any reformulations or changes to this product in the future, it's something worth keeping an eye on. If you're on the fence because of the price, there are alternatives. There are plenty of drugstore eye creams with retinol or similar active ingredients at lower price points, but none I've found combine hyaluronic acid with retinol as seamlessly as this one. So, while it may be a little pricier than some, you're getting a quality formulation that performs well. To wrap things up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream is an excellent choice for those looking for a gentle, yet effective anti-aging eye cream. It's great for smoothing fine lines, brightening the under eye area, and providing some much-needed hydration. If you're looking for dramatic results, this might not be the one, but if you're in it for the long haul, this could be a great addition to your skincare routine. I'd recommend this to anyone in their late 20s to early 40s, looking to prevent fine lines or smooth existing ones, and who's not expecting instant miracles, but is willing to be patient. So is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this eye cream or have any other favorites for tackling dark circles and fine lines, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.